Hi, and welcome to Advancing Worship Piano Lessons. This is level 1 out of 4, and I will give you quickly an introduction of what is expected at this level. We're not going to go to the very basics of music theory and teaching you the names of the keys and such. We trust that you have learned that already or will be learning that from some other video. We will jump very quickly to triads, both major and minor triads, all of the inversions thereof, and then some practice tools, how to practice the different inversions of triads. So here we go. Let's get started. And very first thing, we'll be going over the number system. The very first thing, let's go over some Nashville number system theory that we will be using throughout these lessons. And it's fairly easy to describe it, and through the C major scale being only white keys from C to C. And I will go over this theory very quickly. The triad based on the first note, C, is a C major, and that's a 1 chord. Then we go up the scale to D minor, that's a 2 chord, 3 chord E minor, 4 chord F major, 5 chord G major, 6 chord A minor, 7 chord B diminished. Diminished could be also described as B minor flat 5. So that is the basic theory of the numbers. We will be using that. Obviously, all these black keys can be called as numbers as well. It's a little bit more advanced, but at this point I could show you that probably one of the most common chords used in a major scale would be a flat 7, which would be a B flat and a B flat major chord out of the flat 7 chord. So any of these black notes that do not actually belong to the key of C can be called as well with the numbers. However, the majority of the chords in regular songs, especially in worship songs, would be using the chords between 1 and 7. So that is in essence, the number theory. And like I said, we will be using that throughout all these lessons.